Hello everyone, I hope everybody is doing fine. Welcome to my channel. In today's Christmas card, I'm using this beautiful Christmas pad which has a lot of beautiful papers. So I'm going to use one of these and I'm going to also use this A2 size cardstock, and I'm going to cut this paper in the same size. Now I'm going to color the edges. Now I'm going to adhere it on the base card. Now I'm going to use another paper pad, and I'm going to cut this page and use the small colorful, it's like a present design, so I'm going to use that in the card. I'm going to fussy cut it and then adhere it on the card. I'm just going to pick a few of them and adhere it on the card, and I'm going to use this double-sided foam, a round kind of tape. They are really so cute, and it's like the right size for the card. Now I'm going to use this die, and it's like a lamp, and I'm going to stick the wreath all together, and I'm going to attach it to the lamp post. It's a beautiful die from Sizzix, and it has a small dot of those red kind of like flowers, so I'm just going to stick those things. I'm just thinking of putting it, but I don't think it will work like that. No, it won't work like that, so I'm just going to stick now I'm just going to stick on the top. Now for the sentiment, I'm just going to put happy holidays, and I'm using double-sided foam tape for that. and I'm putting this heart also in that. Now I'm using this glitter glue to give some shine. Now I'm going to finish this card by sticking the sequence. It's like a snowflake sequence, and I'm going to stick all those on the card. This finishes my project. If you guys like it, please subscribe, click on the bell button and turn on the notification so you can watch my videos. You can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video with a new project. Thanks again. Bye.